Yeah, you want also? Yes, guys, our cooking for today, our menu for today, our lunch is this is one. Ayan. Milk fish and sweet potato leaves. Ayan. I have no lemongrass. I have no tomato. So I put only this one. I have no other. Kung ano lang makikita sa ref, yun na lang gagamitin natin. Wala nga akong luya pala. The ginger is not available in my ref. And also tomato. It's okay. I put only this one. Because this one is a soup. Put only some leaves of this. Yeah, because already 11 a.m. So I need to cook this one. But my dog is wanted to have to eat like she wanted to eat this kind of leaves. I don't know my dog why is loving to eat the fresh of vegetable. See. You eat that one, huh? Already. Let's cook our fish. My one hand is busy holding the camera, so I use one hand for making my video. This is our this is our life being a YouTuber, to get some content and to upload. No, this one no edit. I upload directly. No editing. I don't know how to edit yet. So I've learned more to edit, how to edit my video. But it's okay. It's okay. No need to edit. Easy guys. You no need to edit my video. Only a simple video po in order to upload in our regularly content every day. So that's my that's the way I make my content. Upload any kind of content that you have uploading in your channel every day, or whatever you have. If you have a stock content on your mobile, you can upload it. But me, I have no stock content in my storage because the storage of my mobile is too small. So after I upload my content, then I erase, so that I can have upload every day regularly. That's the way I make my own content. This guys is good, the fish. This one we always you buy milk fish here, because my kids is this kind of fish they loves to eat. Only put like these leaves and other leaves, but not available in the reef. So this is the one available in my leaf, the tomato leaves. No malunggay. Ano muna tayo sa malunggay. Ano ba yan? Wala akong kamatis at saka ginger. Okay guys, we need to cook first our lunch because I have my student on school. They are nearly come back from school, so after when they come back and then they eat, here full-time mom here preparing our food and waiting for my kids. Thanks guys for watching my video. Only I make a few minutes, around 6 minutes or 7 minutes. Yeah, I already upload this morning, so I make another one, maybe this after I upload again afternoon. My dog. Ay, no more leaves. Ay, la. Ayan, ay gusto-gusto na ito mga ganitong mga leaves na yan. My dog is favorite leaves. Vegetable leaves, tomato leaves. Tama na. Wala na itong sabaw. Wala na itong sabaw. Wala na itong ano mamaya. Yes guys, sige, magluto muna tayo. Don't forget Pinkay TV to subscribe. Enjoy watching my video.